Hi guys, got a minute? It's Maria. Let's bake some heart cookies for Valentine's Day. These delicious butter cutout cookies are simple to make and fun to decorate. In fact, I'll show you 3 different ways you can decorate them. I want to thank you for watching. I appreciate all the love and support. Please make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. Now let's get started. The ingredients that you will need are all-purpose flour, eggs, granulated sugar, butter, baking powder, vanilla extract, salt, egg white, and sprinkles. We're going to start by mixing the butter. So we need a half a cup of butter, which is 1 stick, with 1 cup of granulated sugar. Now we add our 3 eggs. Mix well. Add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Keep mixing. Now we add our dry ingredients. So I've pre-measured 3 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt, or 1/8 of a teaspoon. Some of the dry ingredients first on top, and then start mixing it with the wet mixture. Okay, at this point, we're going to use our hands. Now that we've made a dough, we're going to let it sit for about 10 minutes. And then we're going to roll it out. It's now been 10 minutes, and we're going to put our dough onto a lightly floured board, or surface. You can make it a 1/4 inch or 1/8 of an inch. You can make them as thick as you like or as thin as you like. Use whatever size of heart cookie cutters you like. I have a medium one, I have a real small one. I like using the small one for these cookies. I'm going to put them on a baking sheet that's been lined with parchment paper, but you can easily spray your baking sheet with Pam and put them directly on the cookie sheet. And reuse your dough scraps. If you're finding that your dough is a little bit too soft, just sprinkle more flour on your board and just work it, knead it a little bit more until it's the consistency that you like. And then roll it out. Once the cookies are on the cookie sheet, we can now brush with our egg white. And now we can sprinkle with whatever decorative sprinkles you would like. Okay, I'm going to put them in the oven and bake them for 15 to 20 minutes if you're using a regular feature. I'm going to be using a convection bake feature, so I'm going to put both trays in together, and I'm going to bake, because these are small cookies, for 9 minutes. If these were larger cookies, I would bake them for at least 13 minutes. Okay, the cookies are done. take them out and let them cool on the cookie sheets for about a minute or two, and then we're transferring them over to the cooling racks. Now I'm making a tray of the larger cookies. For these ones, I am going to either dip them in chocolate or make a sugar glaze for them with icing sugar. These larger ones I baked for 11 minutes in my oven, and they look like they're done. So I'm going to move them to the cooling racks because I don't want them to get too brown. Dipping the cookies in the icing sugar. You can leave them just plain, just white like this, or you can now add your sprinkles of your choice. These Valentine heart cookies are so good. So good.